What's happening, YouTube friends and family? I'm Raymond. Mary's behind the camera. Um, Hope everybody's having a blessed, beautiful day. Um, I wanted to share something with you guys. So people that be watching us know that we run reefer trailers. When we first started with Panther, we had dry van. Um, and the difference between reefer and dry van with respect to cleaning it out is the reefer has grooves on the floor where dry vans are normally flat. They don't have any grooves. They wood floors for the most part. The ones that I've seen, I haven't seen anything different. Ours is all metal with metal grooves. At the end of this video, you'll see the inside of a reefer if you haven't seen one yet. But with a broom, it's kind of challenging. It normally takes me an hour, and it's basically blowing up a lot of dust and stuff like that. So after the fact, if you're not wearing a mask, I'd be having a lot of backup in my nose and stuff like that. And the next day I'm feeling different in terms of my breathing is, concern and stuff like that. So I was online looking, and I actually bought a new tool that I didn't have no confidence in this tool. I've seen them, but I didn't have no confidence, so I had to go and buy one. It's a miniature blower, and it's basically high RPMs. I was looking for something more compact. We have the standard blower, Milwaukee, DeWalt, with the long nose and all of that stuff that don't come off. And with these tractors, it was very limited room, so I wanted to find something that was still in the case, something that would fit inside my step box outside, so I didn't have to bring it inside the truck. And this is what I came up with. I actually bought this on Amazon. Zarami, I think it's called. Zarimi. I don't know how you pronounce that. Maybe I'm jacking that name up. I'm not sure. But it comes in a case. As you can see, I'm a fan of cases to keep everything neat. Um, it came with, I have a battery charger now. It comes with 2 batteries, 21 volts, and it comes with detachments. So you don't, attachments, so 2 attachments so you can extend it. That way you're not bending over, as you can see. And I've already used it and tested it out, and I'm happy with it. I don't know what's going to happen in 90 days. I don't even know what's going to happen in 30 days. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. This is the first time I ever buying from this brand. But you just hook that up. You can hear that power. And at the end of this video, you're going to see this at work. But yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys. I was able to get rid of the broom. I had a broom tied to the catwalk some type of way with a bungee. And I walked back there one day, and the bungee was dry rotted. So you run the risk of the bungee splitting, coming apart, that broom falling, messing stuff up back there while you on the road or whatever. I didn't want to take none of those chances, so I opt for this, and it's been working pretty good. With a full charge, I'm able to do 2.5 trailers, so 2.5 times I'm able to do it with one full charge on 1 battery, and I have 2, so I'm able to get jobs done, without charging it, stuff like that. Yeah, this will be in our Amazon store, so if you're interested in it, take a look at it. We'll put it in the Amazon store, and we'll put the links in our comments or whatever. In our description, we'll have the link to the Amazon store and this tool in the description. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe, and keep rolling, guys.